is how you can search for IKEA products on the megastore.com.mt website. The first thing you can do is search for a product by name using the search bar. The key thing here is to wait and not press enter on your keyboard or click search. In doing so, you can then pick the product from the drop-down list or show all products. Alternatively, you can also select the category the product you're looking for belongs to, or you can filter by brand. The second way you can search for IKEA products is by typing in the full IKEA article number with or without dots in the search bar. This method is particularly useful if you already know specifically which IKEA product you want. The third and final option is to search for IKEA products using the categories found in the navigation banner or side menu. All you have to do is simply select the category you wish to browse. There's a box you can check if you also want to view items that are currently out of stock. Simply refine the filters provided in order to customize your shopping experience, such as the way products are sorted and how many products are displayed. We hope you enjoy shopping at Megastore. If you need any help, you can contact us using the Contact Us page